Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now the topic we're going to talk about in this video is really important. I think this is something that we all are wondering and we all are speculating. So I'm going to give this on my own take. And the topic is, will the cryptocurrencies fall again or will they continue to rise? Like, what is going to happen at this point? Because we know that Bitcoin, it dropped down to as low as I think $16,000 to $17,000, and then out of nowhere in the start of 2023 it jumped back up to $23,000, and people were confusing, is this the start of the next bull run and is it gonna go up from there? But suddenly it dropped down. The whole market capitalization of the whole crypto industry, it jumped up to 1.06 trillion dollars, and then it dropped back to 950 billion dollars. So people are confused as they're getting these mixed signals on what's going to happen, and that's what we're going to analyze in this video. So while the markets were recovering earlier today, it suddenly started falling again. Tomorrow is critical, but the agenda is also busy. The US institutions are taking steps targeting the cryptocurrencies industry from all directions. In the wake of the Luna bankruptcy, stablecoin issuers and the centralized crypto companies have been on the radar, with the FTX debacle, which I think we are aware of. Deterrent investigations are launched before strict legal measures. Now, before we talk about what's going to happen next, we need to know, why did the cryptocurrencies drop in the first place? The US has yet to establish a comprehensive legal framework for the crypto industry, most of which is as of right now is really unregulated. However, the regulators have started investigating crypto companies in the country under existing laws. Staking services of Kraken Exchange have been discontinued. Coinbase, on the other hand, opposed the legal blocking of staking services by the SEC and announced that they would take the process to court. On the other hand, Binance, a USD issuer, Paxos, has been hit hard. It will no longer be able to issue new BUSD, and redemptions will be stopped after February 2024. So these were the reasons why they dropped. They continued to drop. Now the question is, will the cryptocurrencies rise? When will the investors be finally happy? I'll talk about that shortly. But before we do that, I'm gonna share a really interesting project with you guys with just 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're gonna continue with the the old topic. And that project is Probit Exchange, which we have talked about before. We have talked about this exchange before. It is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges with almost like at that point of time there was like 30 to 40 cryptocurrencies. I'm not sure how many there are at this point, but this is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange that is out there. And the announcement that we have in this is of the GMX token that we can get at discount. So you can get all the information about the Probit, but I'm gonna give you guys a link, that'll be in the description. But the topic we're gonna focus is of the GMX, that we're getting 50% discount on this. That is going to start, which it actually just started, so it is, by the time that you'll be watching this video, it will be live, so make sure that you do not waste any time. There's a 50% discount on GMX that is on the Probit, so we can get all the details. It is going to end on February 20th, so we have about like I think 4 days left to it by the time that you'll be watching this. So that means like you're not gonna have a lot of time. The total allocation that we have with this is 10,000 USDT of GMX, and the minimum subscription per user is 10 USDT worth of GMX. And for those who know Probit, if we have Probit token, we get discount on the fees. So depending on the membership level, which depends on the probe that are staked, there's different allocations. So for VIP 1, which has staked 500 or less than 500, it is 100 USDT. And then if we move forward to 3000, it becomes 500 USDT, and until we reach the most highest one, which is of the VIP 5, in which we get 6000 USDT. And in this page you can see the timer. So the allocation that we have is of 10,000 USDT worth of GMX. If you take a look at the original price that is of the GMX, it is 67.26 USDT, but the exclusive price that we have right now, that is of 33.63 USDT, which becomes a 50% discount. So it already again has started. You can see the timer in which it is going to end, so make sure that you take part in this before this happens. I'll give you guys all the links, so it'll be in the description, so you can get all the details on all these things over here on the VIP levels and so forth. So make sure that you check this out. Now with this out of the way, we're going to get back into the topic. So the question was, will cryptocurrencies rise again? The direction of the market is changing, extremely fast. Earlier in the day, the situation was, really different. The total value of the, the crypto markets, it was overall, it was falling overall, since the reading was about like $1.06 trillion on February. And on the February 10th, the cumulative value fell to 950 billion. And as a matter of fact, it was already spoken for a long time that the market would crack towards $950 billion. So people were not that much surprised over there. When these kind of views started to be expressed, the accumulative value was still at the level of $1,060 billion. Total cap is likely in the fourth wave of a 5-wave upside move. While it is not clear whether the fourth wave will make a lower bottom or consolidate in a sideways formation, another upward move to at least $1.15 trillion is expected afterwards. If the $950 billion support is lost, a more general drop to $904 billion could be seen. Bitcoin price could also be in the fourth wave of a 5-wave upside move. This move was confirmed by the breakout of the ascending parallel channel and confirmation as resistance. For the correction to come to an end, Bitcoin price must retrace to $20,950 and then continue to rise. If this zone is lost, we will likely see a Bitcoin price drop to $19,800. However, the overall technical outlook is bullish. So there we have it. I do hope that it does make investors happy. It does make all of us happy when we see it improving further and further, and then the overall economy becomes stronger and stronger. But still, do not take this as an investment advice that you start putting in your assets. This is not meant to be an investment advice. This is just for educational purpose, so make sure that you keep it at that. And make sure that you like the video and subscribe on the channel if you did like the video, and do share this with your friends, especially about the announcement on the 50% discount on the GMX also. So if you like this and if you think it's an awesome opportunity, make sure that you share it with your friends also. This is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly, so stay tuned.